Okay, quick video for a new feature we've got in the Count Inventory app from Accuware. Basically adding lots of new functions here for builds and sales orders and things like that. But let's get into the ability to create a sales order here. Now, creating sales orders with the mobile app could be useful if you're in the field and you're out in front of customers and you've made a delivery and you want to take another order and you got some items you want to add to the sales order. You can scan items to add them to a sales order from the retail shelves, or you could, enter them. But basically, when you get in here to the create sales order function, you select the customer that you want to make the sales order for, and then you can either enter or scan a barcode to like add an item to the sales order. Real basic stuff here, pretty easy to do. And you could just say, okay, I want to, add 5. Add that to the sales order. Let's add a couple more items here. Pretty easy to use for this. Hang on. And then one more we'll add. And 3 of that one. And then we're done. And okay. And then we'll just create a sales order right here. Okay. And then let's just look at that in QuickBooks here. So we added this new sales order here with quantity 5, 4, and 3 of those items. So again, kind of recapping, useful function here for just creating sales orders. You could do it, at the counter, at some place in the building. If you're out mobily in front of customers in the field wanting to take orders, great new aspect to the Count Inventory software for creating orders. Thanks. Contact Accuware if you have any questions. Thank you.